In this lesson, I'm going to share with you about how to budget for your campaigns. There's several things you need to know. You need to understand the payout schedule because this is going to determine how you're going to budget what kind of money you're going to need for your scaling. The Shopify payments, if you get the Shopify payment gateway, Shopify makes a payment every 3 to 4 days later. So, for example, if you did $100 sales today, and today is Monday, you'll get your payment on Thursday or Friday. So you have to clearly understand the schedule that you're going to get. So if you make $100 in sales today, you're not going to get that $100 until Thursday. Now, they don't deposit on weekends either. So Shopify will make a payment in your bank account Monday through Friday. Sometimes I've seen them do it on Saturday, but I don't count on it. What they do is they take any payments that are supposed to be paid to you on Saturday and Sunday and make the payments, the normal payment on Monday that they're supposed to make, and then Saturdays and Sundays deposit will also be made on Monday. So every Monday you'll get a larger deposit into your account. Now, PayPal payments are immediate into your PayPal account, so it's available to you immediately and on your PayPal. But if you try to withdraw it to your bank account, once again, it's 3 to 4 days before it can actually enter your bank account. So if possible, you're going to need to get a PayPal debit MasterCard to give you immediate access to your money that you have in PayPal. So these are things you have to consider. So if you have a small budget, you want to make sure that you have what you need available to adjust your campaigns as you go. Because basically, you'll be testing different products and different interests in the beginning. And most of the time, you will start with $5 on a campaign or an ad set and move up from there. But you got to keep in mind that as sales come in to help you with your budgeting, it does take time for it to hit your bank account, unless you have the PayPal debit card, which then you can use to pay for your ads. And this entire time, you have to understand that what you're really doing is buying data. You're finding out who your customers are, what products are for sale, and what's the best way for you to really make the most out of your Shopify store. Now, I want to be very clear that with Shopify, you're going to be using Facebook ads. I need you to understand that with Facebook, when you open a brand new account, they start you with a $25 budget. The moment you spend $25, they will charge your card, but then they will go up from there. And so if they charge your card successfully at 25, they'll move it up to 50. The next one after 50 is 100. After 100, it's 250. After 250, it's 500. And then after that, it's 750. And that's where it'll stay. So that means that every time you hit $25, it's going to charge you 25. But then the next budget that goes up to 50, they'll wait till you get to 50, and then they'll charge your card to $50. Up to, like I said, until you get to the $750. So that means you'll be able to use $750 worth of ads before they charge your card. But they will charge your card immediately. So not at the end of the day, or not when it's roughly $28. So as soon as it hits your budget, it will charge your card immediately. So you need to have that money available, or they will stop your ads. And here's another thing about Facebook. At the end of every month, they will charge your card whatever the balance is. So even if your budget is $750 before they normally charge your card, what they will do is they'll turn around, and let's say you've only used $200. They will charge your card at the end of the month to start off the next month with a zero balance. And they've been doing this for several months now. So please keep this in mind when you're trying to determine what your budget is.